RedShark's NAB 2026 coverage is brought to you by.
Hey everybody, I'm JJ Powell, part of the product marketing team for Frame.io, and I'm super excited to talk to you all from Las Vegas at NAB 2026. So for this year, we're super excited to talk to you about Frame.io Drive and Frame.io Mounted Storage. It's a brand new way for you to work with your assets out of Frame.io, and I'm excited to give you guys a quick demo, tell you a little bit more about it. So historically, people have thought about Frame.io as a video review and approval tool, and that's been great. But we've continued that story to build out much more value for many different kinds of creative teams, and move from a video review and approval tool to what we call a creative management platform, which is one central location for you to organize all of your media, your stakeholders, and your feedback in one connected platform. And this lets you organize your work, it lets you collaborate, and it lets you automate all of your creative workflows within one platform. And we're excited to continue that vision with something that we call Frame.io Drive, which is a brand new desktop application that lets you connect the cloud to your desktop and work with these files as if they're local. You stream directly into your creative tools, and so you have one single source of truth, and with a system that's built for creative work. So I'm excited to show you a little bit about what this looks like and how you can apply it to your workflows. So this is Frame.io Drive, that new desktop application that allows you to connect the cloud to your desktop. This application is a free desktop application and is a continuation of what was the Frame.io Transfer app. So you get all of the goodness of Frame.io Transfer, which is fast uploads and downloads from the cloud, and also uninterruptible uploads and downloads. So if you start something and you lose a connection, it will resume that connection. All of that goodness is available within Frame.io Drive. The major difference here is that from this one application, I can mount a Frame.io project from the cloud, and now it's accessible in Finder or File Explorer if I'm working in Windows. You can see here, it's shown up in Finder, or it's shown up on here on the desktop. Once I click in here, I can see all of my Frame.io media that's stored in that Frame.io project instantly accessible. So if I have this Finder media and I play it back, I can see I have this responsive clip. I'm scrubbing in real time and playing back that 4K media. I can even grab entire Premiere projects and open them right from the cloud. And reminder, I'm not downloading any media. I'm not file syncing any media. I'm not sending files back and forth with my team. This is all getting streamed from the cloud in real time. So there's no confusion about where my assets are or any of the versioning that comes with a distributed workflow with a distributed team. I simply open these assets and I play back them as if they were stored on a high-performance external hard drive or server. So you can see this is media it's playing back, scrubbing, responsive, and performant, just what I need as a creative to do my best work. And every time I'm saving this media, it's saving back into Frame.io. So if someone else wanted to pick up this project from their workstation, even if they're around the world, I do not need to send a file transfer link. I don't even need to send them a Frame.io link. They can just log into their workstation, mount the project, and begin work. And it's not just for Premiere projects. It's not just for video workflows. Frame.io is for all different kinds of media. So if I wanted to come in here and grab in a product PSD, I can come in here and open with Photoshop. I can also open in Illustrator, InDesign, and also third-party creative tools. So if I wanted to pull something in with Capture One or even Resolve, this works across all different kinds of creative workflows. So in here, now I have an asset that I opened up in Photoshop. In here, I can make any of the adjustments that I would need to make. I could use some of our generative AI tools, like removing the background. I can change the color signs. I can do whatever I need to this asset. And as I save these assets, it's saving back into Frame.io just like it did with Premiere. And what's amazing about this is as I go back into Finder, I can leverage Frame.io's capabilities right from Finder or File Explorer. So if I wanted to open this file in Frame.io, or let's say create a share link, I don't need to navigate between multiple tools for me to accomplish this work. That means less context switching. It means more time focused on my creative collaboration instead of manual tasks. So you see here, I was able to create that share link right from Finder instead of having to go in the tool. And from here, I get to leverage all of the security and governance that I have in Frame.io and apply it to the assets that are now accessible on my desktop. So Frame.io becomes a single source of truth between your work in progress files that are stored in the cloud and your creative work that you're doing on the desktop. So from here, I can send a share link. I can collaborate on this work now with external stakeholders or marketing stakeholders. So at this point, I facilitated collaboration across my creative team, across all creative disciplines, whether it's video, photo, design, or even documents, all stored in the cloud. And then when I'm done with that work and I need it to get reviewed and approval, or reviewed and approved, I can use share links right out of Finder or File Explorer for complete unified experiences across all surfaces. So super excited to talk to you today about Frame.io Drive and mounted storage, which is the storage type and architecture that we have available in Frame.io. This is available as of April 15th, starting with Frame.io Enterprise and rolling out access there. From there, we'll roll out Frame.io Drive and mounted storage to all Frame.io plans. Every Frame.io plan will have some baseline entitlement of mounted storage to get started. So you can download Frame.io Drive for free and access that entitlement right from the start. And you can continue to scale and purchase more mounted storage to meet your workflow's needs. I'm super excited to talk to you about this today because it changes where Frame.io's value is for creative teams. It moves it from a video review and approval tool to a place where you can centralize all of your creative work. Now moving it from the end of the project to the entire creative production. Thanks.